YouTubers, this is Styler. In this video I'm going to unbox the Bose Soundlink Mini that I got from my local retailer. Normally this speaker is 199 euro or dollars, but today I got this with a very good discount. So the reason why I got this is actually that daily I'm using a MacBook Pro, but the speaker in the MacBook is not the best. So I was searching for maybe an external speaker that could stream the sound via the Bluetooth. So I chose to get the Bose Soundlink Mini because of the size and because of the quality. I really like the design, I like it's compact. So now to the unboxing. So as you can see here, it's totally in plastic still. So it has never been opened. Totally new. So let me try to open it from this side. Let's take a quick look on the box. Here on the front we have the Bose text, we have the Soundlink Mini. We have it's a Bluetooth speaker. Here we see the Bluetooth logo. We see the Bose speaker. This side we have nothing. Here we have different specs and features of the Bose. So we also see it has some kind of dock here. And we also see here in the bottom the size when you have it in your hand. And we see some of the buttons in the top. Let's take a look inside here. So what's this? Let's take a look. Here we have different adapters for the power, it seems. Let's see how we open this. Can open here. I think we have some kind of user manuals and other stuff inside the dock. Here we have the charger. So here we have a lot of papers, info and user manuals and commercials. And here we have the wall charger. And what we see here is that this is a normal charger. So unfortunately you can't charge it via the USB. Here we have the dock and the hole for the charger. Let me remove this. We have the wall charger here, and you can open it like this. And you have to plug this in here, I think. Yeah. And here we have the speaker, and I must say it's really heavy. It's incredible heavy. You're surprised the first time you touch this speaker. You think, wow, this one is heavy, and this must be really good quality, because inside we have some high quality hardware. We have big magnets here for the sound and for the bass. So here we see the micro USB port. I think this is for firmware upgrades and so on. We have the pins for the dock. And you can charge it directly without the dock also here. So I chose to get the original Bose here. Of course, you can get some copies and clones of this also. But I wanted a good speaker in high quality because I have to use it every day. I will provide a link in the video description and also a link to a clone of this one if you are interested in that. So please take a look down in the video description. So let me now try to dock the speaker. And we see it's alive and we see some light flashing here that it's charging. So here I have a phone and I will search for devices. And here we see it's found. Let me try to connect. It's pairing. So now it's paired and it's connected. So let us try now to play some music. So you really can hear the deep and loud bass here. It's really nice. So that's it for the unboxing. Until next time, see ya.